This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Mike Vail. See for miles. This property has a new access road installed to the building site. Drive up and look while picturing your home site and taking advantage of this gorgeous open county view. You can landscape and use this 5 acres as you see fit while living on this almost secluded lot. Towns are just minutes, as are the schools. Now includes a shared well and 3-bedroom septic design. Corners are marked. This is a view lot you can't afford to miss. Don't overlook this fantastic value. For more information, review the details below.